should be recording. I mean, I can press shortcut keys, but I've done it a few times. There's been occasional times where I've done a gameplay or whatever, and I've pressed my shortcut key, and it just doesn't record. So now I just like to click it. So that's why every time you've watched the Super Meat Boy videos, if you've watched them, like the first 2 seconds is just sometimes a white screen or a jitter or whatever, and that's because I've literally just gone out of the application to do that to then go back in, because you know, OBS is BS. But today I thought I'd sort of do a semi-tutorial, sort of semi-asking what you'd like me to play or do, because simply being, when I go on the analytics or whatever, I've deleted a few videos in the past, so, but I do remember, and also this is only for the last 28 days, so I mean, if I do, you know, last 365 days or whatever, and there's been weird spikes and all sorts, but I mean, generally it's not so bad. I mean, obviously I'm not bothered about this, and it doesn't really matter anyway, because you know, they do all that. They've removed all that. But anyway, most people most people like the tutorial. So here, tutorial. People likes that. How to download a game. Tutorial how to mod Black Ops Zombies. People like that. I mean, anything if I do a tutorial will be completely, at the time of recording anyway, will work. I'm pretty sure that still works, and I'm pretty sure that'll still work. So, and how to boot people offline stuff. So people seem to like the how-to type videos, mainly. So I was thinking maybe I've only done like 3 tutorial videos and they're all here. So I was just thinking maybe that's probably the better videos to do rather than just do pointless videos that nobody cares about. And I was looking at all the weird people, Israel, Brazil, and Indonesia. I mean, not that I've got anything else against, you know, Indonesian people or Israelis or whatever. Just a bit weird, that's all, in my personal opinion. But yeah, so I thought maybe that's what I ought to be doing. Do some of them sort of videos. Which, I mean, I like my YouTube now because it's all nice and dark. For some reason the analytics bit doesn't go dark, but this bit goes dark. And I've been watching a lot of Francis lately because, I don't know, I used to watch him, you know, like 3-4 years ago, and then I just suddenly decided to watch him again because it was in my suggested. So I mean, you know, if you're wondering why that's there, memes, because I like memes. But a sort of side tutorial to a lot of people who don't know, and I just don't know how you don't know. You know, because I see it all the time in people's YouTube videos and just general people I talk to, and nobody else. You know, you want to personalise your desktop, don't you? Now, if you've noticed my background art on YouTube, if I reopen close tab, you know, on my channel, you'll notice that it's this sort of this bit here. I mean, on this I had to stretch it out, so it's a bit sort of faded, so I might change this again, but I liked it personally because it's to my taste. I didn't really, I mean, I got a bit bored of the orange and blue and stuff. You know, and I'm also making my own thumbnails because, I mean, this one for example was off Google Images. I don't know who made it, but if anybody knows, then, you know, credit to them. Because that's like Jimmy's Vendetta or something. But you know, I mean, I made this and everything, but that's my sort of, that's what I like, and I thought, oh, I won't mind having it here, so I've put it here. Obviously it's wider, so I can have it more high def. But you can put anything here you like, and if you can't be bothered making one, you can always come on the web store, and there's plenty of themes. They're all pretty much free. I don't know if there's any paid ones, but there's tons of them, and you know, it's not really a tutorial. It's just telling you that they're here, and it's a case of you click one, you install it, job done. If you don't like it, click another one, install that one, job done. It really is that easy. I'm not going to bother clicking one, but you add to Chrome, and it'll add it to Chrome. If you can't do it, then you are brain dead and you don't deserve one. So that's that. Or if you did want to make one like me, I mean, I went on a random website I came to, and this was the one I came to. Pop an image in, you know, generate colours, so it generates the colours. Pack and install, and you put it in. You'd have to do this, but and job done, you know. And if it doesn't fit right, which I got me annoyed for ages, you just realise there's these buttons here, which, you know, can obviously alter it, you know, however you like or whatever. So, but I mean, like, if I'm gonna upload, like, you know, I don't know if a fidget spinner would work, but I don't think it would because that's a GIF. So, I mean, let's upload Dirge, why not? And then, you know, you can have Dirge. I mean, I'd have a better quality picture, but you can have Dirge in the background, you know. I mean, if it's normal size, it'll just be a tiny speck up there. That's why it stretches it out. But that's pretty much it. If you wanna do that, and then if you generate colours, it'll generate the colours based on the thing, which is nice, and it all suits and it all goes. So it's just a 5-minute job, and it makes your browser look less depressing. Same when you go on Gmail or whatever, which I'm not going to do because, you know, it's got my name and it's got loads of private stuff, so I'm not going to do that. But if you go on your Gmail, you can put themes on that and all. You go in the settings and stuff, and you can find one. I think I've got a Gmail that I'm not so bothered about, because I've got 3 Gmails here. I mean, I suppose I could do it on this one. Oh, well, I'll just show you my name. Well, this is my name. Don't spam me with emails. So I haven't set one on here. This is probably a good opportunity to set one at some point. But you go on Gmail, and as you can see, mine's all dark. I have the dark theme because it's easier on the eyes personally. You know, that's just how I find it. But you go into settings, and you can go to themes. You can choose a theme. I don't know if you can make custom themes. I haven't tried, but I just scroll down and random, whatever that is. I just put the Eternal one on because that's I didn't even bother making one. I was happy with that. There you go, my photos. You can put a photo in the background, and there you go. I could have that. That's what I could have. I could have my photos, and it doesn't even have the photos. There we are. If we just pick this one, and then you'll have never seen anything more beautiful. No, it's just I can have it anywhere I like. I mean, you can't really see it because, you know. I mean, if I go into like starred, I don't have any mail there, and then you can see it. Look, it's beautiful. So there's a little thought to those people who, you know, won't know that exists. And it's you know, it's a good little thing. But yeah, please message, no, not message, but comment. Any if you like any tutorials or videos. I mean, I might start uploading. If nobody answers, I might just start uploading, you know, games that you can get for free. I'll just repack games and put them on MediaFire or whatever, or Mega or whatever you like, and then job done, you know. I'll probably do mostly old games. Like, I mean, I Am Bread's quite an old game, and it's sort of a meme game. I'm not going to obviously be putting up like, you know, GTA 5 or Rainbow Six Siege or whatever, because them, you know, them are quite new and current. You know, I think only old games, you know, are alright. So, but yeah, please comment and all that jazz. Cheerio.